Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to split cells in Excel. So let's say I have a text saying how to split cells in Excel. So as you can see, it's in a whole one cell. One way to do this is to just merge it. To merge it, you need to go to Home tab. Then you need to click on this icon. In alignment, you will find this icon. And if you click on this drop down arrow, you'll find several merging options. You just need to click on any of one you prefer and you will merge it somehow. To undo, you can always click on this button. And as you can see, it's in one cell only. So to split this into different column, you need to go to data. Here you will find this text to columns option in data tools. You need to click on it and a new dialog box will appear. So you need to click on mixed width, and here you will see the layout. Click on next. You will see how it will be displayed. Click on next. And if you want to change any settings, you can change it here, or you can just finish it off. And that's how you split cells in Excel. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me to you guys in the next video.